So first we have to import turtle as tr, and then from from in the next time from math import sine, cos and pi. Pi. Next we r is equals to 200. The value is r is 200. Then inc is equals to 2 into pi divided by 100. Thus give the inc value, which is then t is equals to 0 and the semicolon, which is another, and n is equals to 1.5. For I in range of 100, 100 and semicolon and over there, and then x1 is equals to sine r into sine t, comma semicolon, and then r1 is equals to r into sine t, which is sine t, cos t is equals to 0, and then x2 is equals to r into sine t plus n, and semicolon, and then y1 2 is equals to x r into cos t plus n. And next we have to write tr is speed is equals to, I'm writing fast in the open and close brackets and write fast over there, and you can write slow also, you can write medium, normal also, you can write fastest also, but I'm writing fast. And then pen up tr dot go to x1 comma y1, and then tr pen down is equals to pen down, which is pen down, and then semicolon, then tr go to x2 comma y2, and then we have to write tr dot t plus 1 is equals to inc. This t is inc, and then if you run it now, you can get it. What is the output? It's a little bit outside the screen. But the screen you can see I'm getting the polygon, which is starting from 0 to the win, and this is the total polygon, and 100 is finished. Thank you and watch.